Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna be working on my 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. And my plan is get the front end assembled. And as you can see, the front end is assembled. The reason I'm recording this right now, while I transferred the files on my computer, I lost a quarter of my files where I started and assembled front end, core support and all that. This all missing. Sorry, you're not gonna see how I put the core support back together and everything. For some reason files got corrupted and I can't fix them. I tried it, cannot find a way to fix them, so this is it. And we have to go off of what we have. And we have right now, as you can see, assembled GMC Yukon. But before I got to this stage, I had to go through a lot of headaches installing everything back together and lining everything back. I hope you're gonna enjoy this episode. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribe because I have awesome stuff coming, and enjoy it. Everything looks like assembled outside. Now it's time to get the headlight that I purchased from eBay, open up, check it out. It's actually came in yesterday. I've been looking for the headlight for a long time. Crazy prices. Dealer asked $800 or $900, and everybody on eBay with the broken tabs asking $500 and more. So I was able to find it for $300, everything intact and all the tabs and everything in good shape. So now let's open up and make sure that is in a good shape. It packaged really nice. I like it. That way 100% to be sure. Wow. Check this headlight out. It's in perfect condition. For $300, that's a perfect condition. No tabs broken, nothing is broken. So I should be able to install it and we should be good to go. Let's see how it fits. Look, right on the money. Needs a little bit adjustments and the headlight is awesome. You can't beat the price. I can polish it out. It's gonna be like a brand new. Let's get the driver's side, the headlight out, install it. Then probably bumper, and after that I'm gonna be able to install a hood if I have enough space. Headlights are installed. They're looking awesome. You can see it start taking a shape finally. Now I think it's time for the bumper. Let's get the box out and get the bumper out. In order for me to install the hood, I need to bring the vehicle outside because this is not enough clearance for me. Let's get the battery inside, hook it up and get the vehicle out, and we should be able to install the hood. So in order to install the hood, I need to straighten this out because otherwise it's gonna be almost impossible with the hood on. So let's get this straight, let's straighten this out, and then I wanna do the gaps on this fender because it looks off over here and it's bented over here. So let's work on this fender, line everything out pretty good, and then let's deal with the hood. I finally adjust all the lines. All the lines looks perfect, right? How it's supposed to be. If you check it out, everything is perfect. I like how it came out. So now what I'm gonna have to do, fix those little gouges, fix this dent that was original on the fender. Then I wanna sand this area with the 320. Same thing over here, so I can apply a primer. Now I will block it, make sure all those deep scratches, they're not gonna show up. Little gouge here, like I said, gouge here. And one is over there on that fender on top. And I should be done with the preparation, and next episode we should be able to sand everything down, prepare for paint. And hopefully in the episode or two, we're gonna be done with the painting and this car can be assembled. Let's get this vehicle inside and start working on the body. So let's fix this little imperfection first. What happened when the accident occurred, the hood got pushed in this way, and whenever somebody want to open up this hood, when they open up, it got jammed in between the hood and the fender, so it got bent over here. I'm gonna get my air tool with the 36 grit on it and carefully gonna grind this area out. Then I will apply a filler, but I will apply a filler after I finish with all those little gouges, so I don't have to mix it up twice or three times the bundle. I will apply it at once everywhere and gonna smooth it out, and then gonna be able to apply a primer. Let's clean this out and move to the other fender. So I got the dent out. Now what I have to do, get the 80 grit sandpaper and sand it down to see how bad is it and where the little bit of filler needs to be applied. But I currently don't have any 80 grit sandpaper, so we'll leave this bumper alone for now. I'm gonna move to a vehicle. Let's clean everything out, mask it out, and apply a primer on it. So I'll be ready to prepare whole vehicle for paint, and hopefully next week it's gonna be painted. Now let's not waste our time and start working on the vehicle. Alright, I prepared all the areas, wiped out everything with the wax and grease remover. Now I'm gonna apply a self-etch primer as usual, where's the open metal, and also I'm gonna use this can primer. It's pretty good primer, I like using it, especially on the small spots like this. You don't have to get your gun dirty, mix everything in the right proportions with the little bit of the primer. So this is the easiest solution. This is a pretty good thick primer. Now let's apply primer and we should be ready for preparing the vehicle for paint. Alright guys, it's finally primed with the guy coat on top of it. You might have a question why I put a primer over here. I only put a couple layers of the primer, just a slight thin layers, just in case if there's the scratches deep enough, it will cover it, and after I get a 600 sandpaper, I will be able to sand it down. Also, I'm gonna be able to see where's the maybe deeper gouges or something in there. That way it will come out perfectly. The front end is complete. What's left to prepare is the bumper. Like I said previously, I don't have a proper sandpaper to be able to do that. I will have to do that later. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Sorry for delay. The reason the videos haven't been come out often, at least once a week, I'm being busy with my parents' house. I'm helping them build their house. It's gonna be their first house and there's a lot of issues, a lot of stuff they're moving back and forth. But anyway, hopefully I'm gonna be done with their house in a couple weeks and I will get back on the schedule with the projects. And I'm planning to have at least 2 videos in a week, but I'm hoping for 3 videos in a week. That's my plan. Please hang out there. Have a little bit patience. I can't wait until I fully come back to my projects and start getting content and showing you guys what's available. Thank you for watching. If you think this is enjoyable video, thumbs up as usual. Also follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Also don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button so you don't miss anything on my rebuilds. Thank you for staying with me. I will see you next one.